Okay. So I will control your screen. 1 minute. Where is the left side bar? Okay. Left side there will be a bar.
Wait.
It's here. It's here. You have it on the right side. Okay.
Yeah.
Remote SSH.
Can
One
can
minute. Click
you
that.
tell me? I will. Yeah.
Remote SSH. This plugin you have to install. Error while. I think you are using the old version of VS Code, Dharma. Okay, I'll just show you mine. So you
Oh
will.
yeah, please. That's why I will saw and learn the things very well.
I'll just stop screen sharing.
Yeah.
I will share my screen so that you will understand easily. Okay. Share my screen. Desktop 2. So this is just setting up VS Code is one-time process. Okay, you see the spec file here. This is
Yeah.
production. JaganKrish.com is a production. I will give you a test server which is lmfworkshop.in.
Okay. This is already hosted on the like subdomain, right?
AWS, correct.
Okay.
Okay, I will do it from my side. Can you see left side? There is a
Yeah.
this icon. You have to click this, and here there is a settings icon. Okay, click
Yeah.
that, and from here, if you click that, you will get this settings file. These 3 items you have to download from AWS. Okay, I will send the AWS details to you right now. 1 minute. I'll just send that AWS details. Obviously, you have to create your own account, Dharma. Okay. Test account you have to create. So this is the LMF system access. I'll go to the LMF system access hosting. I'll go to the go to AWS cloud. Okay. I'll click on sign into the console. Here, the test username password is coach. This one. Okay. I will send this username password to you in WhatsApp. This is the username. AWS username. And this is the password. So this is the password. Password input type equal to text. So this is the password. I sent the password also to you. So now when I log in, so you will get something like this in the LIGHTSAIL.
Yeah.
You will create an instance like this. This is a test instance. Actually, one more Tamil translator is working on this instance. I'm going to give you the same. Okay. So when you create your instance, it will be easy. Okay. Here in the connect, so you have a connect using SSH. You can directly connect using SSH using this. You can run commands here, but this is not we are going to do. We are going to set up remote SSH. Okay. Can you see the ID? This ID we need to copy and download default key. Click on download default key. Okay. This key, I am going to change the name. Okay. This key, I am going to change the name to LIGHTSAIL test. Okay. So I will change the name and I will copy this and I will put it in the documents folder. Okay. You will put it in your documents folder. Okay. In the documents, in the SSH, I have 3 servers. Okay. This is the 4th server. LIGHTSAIL test. Can you see? Now I will come to this one, remote SSH, copy this file also I will send it to you in WhatsApp. Okay. You will have this in your in the WhatsApp.
Can I ask something about you as a personal level?
Sorry.
Can I ask something about you?
Now, see, I'll complete this tutorial. Okay, we have one more call in 10 minutes. People will join. Okay, I am there available from next Wednesday. Tomorrow also we will connect.
Yeah.
Okay, in the host, in the SREC, you just type LIGHTSAIL, any name you can type. LIGHTSAIL
Yeah.
test. Okay, this ID you have to copy from here. Okay, 43.204.180.82. Okay.
Yeah, this is the
So
IP for
this
connecting
one,
the host.
okay. And the user also, it's Bitnami only. Everyone is using the username is Bitnami. Okay. And the key we have downloaded, we have put
Yeah.
it in the folder called documents SSH, and
SSH,
the file
yeah.
name is LIGHTSAIL test. Okay.
Yeah.
The file name is LIGHTSAIL test. Copy. So save it. If you save it, and here that you see a refresh button, you refresh it. Can you see LIGHTSAIL test came?
Yeah.
Now, if you click this button, it will connect. Okay. It will ask, it will download a key. Then you click on continue. You will get this error, could not establish error, permission denied, public key. What that means is this key we have put in this folder, this should not have write permissions. What we have to do is we have to issue a command. Okay, you in your there is a terminal in Mac.
Yeah.
Okay,
CMD.
for you have
Calling
CMD. Okay, you have to navigate to that folder, CD documents, CD SSH ls. Okay, ls dash l means, can you see only in the LIGHTSAIL test there is different write permissions. We are going to change it. Okay, the command is sudo chmod 600 lightsail test.pem. It will ask for the password. You give the system password.
Okay.
Done. Okay, ls dash l. See, it's all in the same. Okay, now go and connect. Close remote. Okay, now you click this remote SSH, click this. So here you will see it's opening. Okay, see, it's connecting to the host right now. I think it's connected. Click on connect to host, LIGHTSAIL test. Okay, it's connecting now.
Yes.
I think it's connected. We'll click on open. See, it's connected. Okay, but the folder is, you mentioned there is a WordPress home folder, which is home Bitnami WordPress.
Yeah.
I think home Bitnami
WordPress.
HT docs.
htdocs.
HT
WordPress.
No, HT docs. There is some. I'll just check what is the home folder. Okay, will be there.
Okay, sure.
I will send the home folder. Bitnami.
In this server,
Yeah,
we can create a multiple instance, right?
multiple also we can create. Okay. Opt Bitnami WordPress location is not home. It's OPT. Opt
Okay.
Bitnami. Okay. See, this recording you should not miss. Okay. Bitnami WordPress. Okay. See, here there is WordPress.
Yeah, this is a
Okay.
WordPress.
Now this is the WordPress folder. Now it will open. Okay. You have to click trust all the authors. Okay. Now
Yeah.
it's opened. Now from here you know that WP content, themes, LMF,
LMS,
spec,
JSON file, yeah, English, yeah.
English, and spec
Yeah.
Tamil. Okay. There is one person who is working on translation on this file. So don't touch this. Okay.
Yeah.
So now I will just open this. Okay. So this is how you connect. This is a one-time process. Now we have connected to the server. Now I'll make some changes and show you how this is working. The test server name right now is, this is LMF workshop.in. Okay. The test server is LMF workshop.in. Okay. So this is what this spec file is responsible for.
This is a live spec
This is
file, right?
live. Yeah, this is live.
Yeah.
Okay. See, you see
Yeah.
site version. This Arvind Patmaraja, I'll change it to Dharma Patmaraja. You do whatever you want in the. I will just click on refresh. So can you see here Dharma? It will. Okay, 1 minute.
Yeah.
Goes on. Control A CV.
I think this JSON file is not formatted in the way that will show in the video.
Yeah, it will format. Okay. For that you have to. The first time I'm connecting, right? The plugins are not installed. Okay. Here you
Yeah.
have to go and you have to install a formatter.
Yeah.
I think it's already there. Install prettier code formatter. Click on install. Okay, this will format all the code. Okay, here they will show how to format the code. But I will use some for the sake of time being. I'll just copy this and go to JSON editor online.
Okay.
JSON editor online. I'll paste this Control V, and here you can have format this Control
Yeah.
A C. Come here.
Paste
Control
it.
A V C.
Yeah. Yeah.
So now it is changed. Okay, now you can read
Yeah.
this. Okay, now
Mhm.
I will change this to Dharma. I can add sections, I can remove
Yeah.
sections,
Change the color. Change all
everything
the
you
things.
can
Yeah.
do. Okay,
Yeah.
see, can you see Dharma?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So this is the basic. Okay, now I taught you how to connect to VS Code, how to make changes. Here, if we see, in those videos, I will be doing everything manually. Okay, copy this and
Create the new
create
sections.
sections like this. Now you are not going to do like this. There is an inbuilt spec management. You are going to use that. Okay, but you have to know the basics. Okay, that's why I am teaching.
Yeah. 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 This is the core part of that theme,
Correct.
right?
Okay, so this spec file will be. I added a one more section, section underscore two, right? I'll
Yeah.
just say two.
I'm just asking about that you already defined all the section in the one file which you show in the video in the
Correct.
main file, right? And we will
Correct.
copy the section which we needed and paste in the site which we need.
Correct. Okay, so this is the section on one and two. It came. Okay, now delete. I will delete the section one. It will go.
Yeah, the section will remove from the prompt. Yeah,
Okay, this is the basics. Now you have connected. Now you can do whatever you want in the spec file.
whatever you
To
want. Yeah.
understand the basics, you connect, you follow this recording and do this and play with this. Okay, you create a duplicate. I will create one more file for you in the lmfworkshop.in so that you play with that file.
I think I will create from the scratch. I will create a new instance and set up the theme from my end and change the stuff distance. That is my way. Go.
Yeah, please do it. But I'm saying how to create a new spec file.
Yeah,
In the get LMF system, I will add a new language. Okay, I will add a new website. Okay, add a new website. I will just say Dharma, add sub website now, refresh page. Now Dharma website, dharma.lmfworkshop.in is there.
yeah. This is a subdomain. Yeah,
If you go here, see, can you see spec underscore Dharma came? You
yeah.
play with this file. Nobody is going to ask you anything. Okay. Now, how will you edit this spec file? Edit it and
Yeah, this is the type of a front end which we
front
design
end.
as an Elementor. We work from that.
Yeah. See, Dharma, now this has no SSL installed.
Not HTTP. Yeah,
Okay. You can install the SSL by in the content management. Go, you follow these steps, the same steps,
yeah,
and you
yeah, yeah.
install the
And
SSL.
set up the SSL. Yeah.
Set up the SSL. You use this file to create the website. Okay. Now, I will send the most recent LMF system, okay, early 2023 edition. You install that file and you do all the work, okay, you do the testing work, okay. That's all. I will just stop screen sharing. So what do you think? Is it easy? This